Morning viewers. Now in GTO series today I am going to cover yet another very important topic which is part of confirmatory series, that is your lecture. Okay, this is as you would recall part of differentiation. So if you made your mark in your basic series which I have covered earlier and GTO wants to look at you little more critically, वो आपको ज़्यादा ध्यान से देखना चाहता है. Okay, तो lecturate is third task which happens in confirmatory series. Okay, you would have gone through half group tasks, you would have gone through individual obstacles, and this is the third task which you perform. So here is a task where you are being seen by the GTO individually, though in a group situation, but individually, and is going to listen to you for a period of 3 minutes continuously. So this is hell of a time, and lot of inputs then become available as regards personality of a person. Okay, in nutshell, I'm very sure you know how it gets conducted. Very simple. You pick up a slip. There are 4 topics. They are in some degree of difficulty. Maybe the first one is most difficult and last one is not so. Okay. So based on your preparation, based on your knowledge of those subjects, you choose one. This you may take about 30 odd seconds doing so. And in the next 2.5 minutes, then you plan how you are going to deliver this lecture. Okay. The introduction, main body, the conclusion. Okay. What are the aspects you must see in the main body? Whatever will be the topic, and depending on your knowledge, if you can do so, main parts divide into 2-3 sub headings. Okay, maybe what is the background, what is happening now, and what is going to be the solution part of it, or where some depth of knowledge is seen. GTO को नजर आए कि आपको सब्जेक्ट का अच्छा खासा knowledge. This is how it gets conducted. Okay, the entire group, whatever be the number, 10, 9, 8, they sit in front of the GTO in a half circular manner generally. Okay, or they may be seated on the bench also, as you can see in this particular photograph. Okay, and then you deliver the lecture in front of them for a period of 3 minutes. During this delivery of lecture, you should remain calm, cool, composed in order to deliver the maximum content within 3 minutes. You should not rush it up. That calmness, that stability is something very important and that you must retain. तो क्या चीजें देखी जाती हैं जीटीओ के दौरान? मैंने कुछ समय पहले एक वेबिनार किया था किसी इंस्टीट्यूशन में जहां लेडी कैडेट्स थे. उसमें से एक लेडी कैडेट ने यही सवाल मुझसे किया था और उसका मैंने एक डिटेल जवाब दिया था जो कि रिकॉर्डेड है, तो मैं आपके साथ वो शेयर करना चाहूंगा. ओके.
Question to you is, what is the criteria on which a candidate is judged in a lecturate? Like type of topic chosen, or the clarity of thoughts, or the fluency in English? Like, what are the things on which a candidate is judged?
Like I said, the entire system is based on very scientific principles, and the sequence in which these tests are conducted have a lot of meaning, and each event is building up on something which has already happened, right? Supporting some of your qualities which have been observed earlier by the GTO, and maybe throwing some new things about yourself. Okay, Palvi? So in lecturate, to say that he is just seeing your communication and he is seeing your confidence, okay, that may be not good understanding as to what is being seen. Okay, please understand that. Now, since you quoted example of a lecturate, right? Before that, so your group discussion would have happened, your group planning exercise would have happened, your progressive group task would have happened. Certain qualities you have started exhibiting already, and GTO has made a notice of that, and he knows Palvi, right? Okay, A, B, C, D, wherever. And now when you come for lecturate, that thing is already there, recorded with the GTO. And obviously, this particular lecturate is an individual exercise in the sense that you are participating individually. Okay. So, what happens? What are the things that will be seen? You ask this particular question, and that is the query. Okay. Now, you pick up a slip. There are 4 topics given. Within 3 minutes, You have to choose one and prepare on them. Okay. Having done that, after 3 minutes, when previous candidate finishes, you have to come in front of the entire group. Right now, here group dynamics has come into the play. It is no more an individual effort. Right? How you are behaving in front of a group, that also now has started coming into it. Right? And
Yes.
then you speak on that for 2 to 3 minutes. And once you finish, you come back. Now, what has happened? Please understand. The minute you pick up that slip, there are 4 topics, right? They may be in some order of difficulty. Okay, maybe the first one is a little more difficult in terms of its contents. Second one little lesser. The third one is still, and fourth one could be very simple kind of my favorite hero, my favorite sports, like that, right? On which anybody can speak. You pick up a topic where you can put in more content and do justice to it in the next 3 minutes. That is showing your what all? Your mental faculties, isn't it? You are saying that on that first group of qualities, I'm a well-read person. I probably know about this topic more. Okay. Then you are showing your self-confidence that I can even talk about on a difficult topic. I have that thing in me. Okay. Within 3 minutes, you can take a decision that which topic to be chosen. It is showing your decision-making capability, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you come in front of this thing. You are showing your self-confidence. More than you, it is your body language which is conveying that how confident you are in front of a group, right? And when you are speaking, you are talking about your communication skills. Okay. And in those mental qualities, organizing your thoughts correctly and saying in a manner that it is understood well. So see, 3 minutes small little exercise, and you are displaying so many of qualities of yours. Isn't it? So is there anything more about lecturate you would like to know?
No, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, does it make sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You have understood. You have answered my question, sir.
Okay, now having gone through this particular video, certain things I would like to just summarize. Okay, you would have realized कि this is part of differentiation. Okay, दूसरा है आपने बेसिक सीरीज के अंदर अच्छा किया है. Here is an opportunity जो GTO के डाउट्स है दिमाग के अंदर वो अपना क्लैरिफाई करना चाहेगा. May be related to your confidence level, may be related to your communication skills. Okay, maybe your mental planning also. So here is an opportunity for him to look at you more critically and clarify those doubts. So please understand how important it is. And lecturate, as would be clear from that video of question answer session, it doesn't happen in isolation. ये आइसोलेशन की चीज नहीं है. अगर आपने ग्रुप डिस्कशन में अच्छा किया है, पीजीटी में अच्छा किया, क्यों? क्योंकि आपके अंदर काबिलियत है. काबिलियत कौन सी है? चीज को समझने की. आपके पास सब्जेक्ट का नॉलेज है, आपका कम्युनिकेशन स्किल अच्छा है, लोगों को कन्विंसिंग पावर है आपके पास, ऑल दैट. सो इफ दोज थिंग्स आर देयर, ऑटोमेटिकली यू वुड डू वेल इन योर लेक्चरेट. Okay, certain things which are very important. Okay, don't stand there like a statue. आपको ऐसे या पीछे ऐसा हाथ करके जरूरत नहीं है. कुछ चीज को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए आपको अपना बॉडी लैंग्वेज का इस्तेमाल करना है. प्लीज डू सो. डोंट बिकम ए स्टैचू. कंप्यूटर लाइक नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, दैट इज वन. सेकेंडली, ड्यूरिंग द लेक्चरेट, ओके, सम पीपल आउट ऑफ नर्वसनेस हैव ए टेंडेंसी, ये हाथ इस तरीके से करेंगे, उंगलियां चटकाएंगे, नाक खुजाने का कोशिश करेंगे. ओके, दीज आर साइंस ऑफ नर्वसनेस. ओके, तो आप अपना जब भी मौका मिलता है लेक्चरेट रिकॉर्ड करें और उसमें देखें, और अगर ये साइंस है उसको ग्रेजुअली रिमूव करने का कोशिश करें. और दिस विल हैपन इफ यू आर नर्वस. सो बीइंग कॉन्फिडेंट इज वन बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर यू टू डू वेल इन योर लेक्चरेट. ओके, सो उस नर्वसनेस को कॉन्फिडेंस और फेथ और प्रिपरेशन के साथ आपने अपने ओन टाइम में फिनिश करना है. तो लेक्चरेट का प्रिपरेशन एसएसबी में आने के बाद नहीं होता है. मच बिफोर इट स्टार्ट्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर डेवलपिंग जनरल नॉलेज, डेप्थ ऑफ नॉलेज ऑफ सर्टेन इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स, कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, ये सारा का सारा पहले से तैयारी किया करने का चीज है. ओके, दैट इज वन. Secondly, when you are facing, do it with lot of confidence. when you stand in front of the group, okay, don't stand in a very lousy kind of a posture, or say on one leg, tilting on one side, such like things. Once you record it, you will be able to do that. Okay, so I hope this particular video of mine helps you. All the very best.